I packed 3 disposable diapers for a 2-night trip to Mount Rainier. Will that be enough? Let's find out. We're sleeping in here for 2 nights. Oh. Yeah, we brought the little seat. And we brought the little potties. There's another bedroom here. Lighting's really bad. A full kitchen. Matthew eating his lunch. Hi, buddy. Ended up peeing in his training undies, so I had to stop the camera and clean that up. But we loved staying at this cabin. With all the small bed spaces for the kids, it was perfect. And just past those trees is the river, so let's go explore that area. Matt actually has a fever right now, so he's staying behind and he's just trying to sleep it off. And I got the kids out on this little rugged trail and we're gonna walk over to the river. All right, I'll go to the river. You guys go look at ants. Come on, bud. All right, come on, buddy. Yeah, because you walked in the water. Buddy. The kids needed to get out of the cabin, so I took them into the park by myself, and I only packed 1 extra training undie. I got the little one on my back. Where is he? There he is. Exploring Mount Rainier. Matt is sick, so I am here by myself. Okay, it's all right, it's okay. We have another pair of shoes if he gets wet. The kids were doing great, so we made it up to Paradise Park, which is covered in snow. But I didn't film anything because I was already struggling as is with 2 toddlers by myself, plus the snow. There was no way I was even taking pictures. On our drive back, the baby actually said he needed to pee, and I had to pull over and do a potty break right before we got to the cabin. We were only 5 minutes away, but when you gotta go, you gotta go. Hi, bud. We brought books. We took the pots and Magna-Tiles blocks, and you're in undies. And we have the potty out here. Yeah. We just have him in training undies.
What's your name, Mama?
Hey! So day 1 of our trip to Mount Rainier, I think little Bebe has had 2 dirty training undies. One he started to poop in at the beginning and then finished off pooping outside on the deck, looking out in his little potty right there, because that's always nice to poop with a view. And then the other one was when we first got here. He was like super excited and we're just running around and he peed in his training undies. So yeah, that's right, you did. And I also took him out on a outing for like, I don't know, 3 hours, 4 hours, I think 3 hours or something. And we did so many stops, all that good stuff alone because Matt was sick. And so he stayed here. So there was no dirty undies during our trip. I did only pack like 1 extra training undie and a wet bag. Dada's upstairs. I think he's going to lay down. You guys gonna go upstairs now? You're gonna go find him? You're brushing sister's hair?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so sweet of you.
Matt is feeling so much better, so he's coming out with us, and our first stop is the Trail of Shadows. It's a perfect short loop for little kids.
Hold my hand.
You want to go again?
Do, 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 do. Oh, let's do. Do, do, do.
I know, he wants to look.
Let's keep going.
We barely made it through the loop. Hello, how are you feeling?
Not bad.
Then we walked over to Longmire picnic area to have our packed lunches. I packed us some sandwiches and some veggies. There's also a restaurant and a small market for your convenience if you want to do that.
He's going potty. Right up there in nature.
Our next stop is Narada Falls, and I suggest you bring a carrier if you have little kids because the walk down can be quite challenging for them.
Whoa! Where's my baby?
I think that was as far as I went last time.
Yeah, probably.
At this point, we've passed the waterfall and we tried walking all the way down to the river, but we didn't make it. We actually had to turn around halfway.
Oh, you got it. Clearance. Oh, I'm short enough. I just went through that. Okay, buddy, if you want to go to sleep, you can go to sleep on mommy's back. Okay. Oh. This guy fell asleep in here. How do you feel after that?
Like I got a good workout and I'm ready for a restaurant.
Should we just eat at the hotel at the Paradise?
All you can eat onion rings and shakes.
You know, at work, I've been buying onion rings like every other shift.
Stop.
Yeah. Because it's $2 and I don't make onion rings at home. So I have my healthy lunch at work and I go down and get some onion rings to top it off with my salad. What the heck? Bebe is sleeping in there. I just feel his head turning around, flopping over. Oh my.
Okay.
She's hiding her face.
Baby woke up when we got him out of the carrier and we were both soaked with pee and sweat. I think he peed in the carrier during his nap. So I guess we'll just do some laundry when we get back tonight, and that's parent life for you.
No, make sure you it. This is no ball. She wants to touch the spider.
Wow, that spider's curious of me.
It is curious of you, huh? You look at the little fangs on the spider. You can see them, huh? Hi, spider.
It's really cute.
Snow is blinding my eyes. Daddy and Bebe left because he was not having it. They went over to the visitor center. You want to go over there?
Yeah.
you remember we learned about this? The tree and then the root system and the mushrooms what do they communicate and set up a network of community with my mycelium? These are paw prints of different animals. They make a casting. So when an animal steps into it, looks like it's a timber wolf. They stepped into it and then they poured some plaster in so they can take a picture of the footprint. That's how big the coyotes are. And there's our little claws. What was this?
What type of
This one I think is an otter. Oh, these are the beaver paws. Here's the fox paws. And here's the fur. Beaver fur. Here's fox fur. Oh, it's so soft.
But this, what?
Beaver fur.
What
This one is river otter. Black-tailed deer. This is a bull elk. Turn it over. Turn it over and then see what it says. It is black bear. It's a black bear paw.
No.
I took off his pants. He felt pee. Now he's walking funny. He told me right when he needed to go. And he couldn't hold it.
Century, Congress created Mount Rainier National Park, the country's 5th national park.
We are heading out of the park and we're going straight to a restaurant. We're gonna get those onion rings we talked about earlier, and we had to make one stop for baby to go potty.
Plant a tree?
Oh, because we're in the forest.
You're saying plant a tree?
Plant a seed.
Oh, Daddy doesn't know plant a tree.
Change the words, Matt.
Daddy only knows plant a tree.
Come on.
A small hole is all you need to plant a tree. Tree. Falling sun comes shining. Roots go down. Leaves spread green and it grows.
Plant a seed. Okay. Maybe when we stopped for your brother to go potty, maybe you should have tried, huh?
Maybe when we asked you if you needed to go?
We could always try. What do you think? Next time? No response. Buzz away. Oh, that's a mosquito. A little poiky.
That's a mosquito?
Yeah, it's a cartoon picture of a mosquito.
I prayed for you before I called you mine. I can't believe it's true.
I think it's too wet for us to go exploring today. Do you want to go outside and touch the rain?
Yeah.
Mommy can open the door. It's not really fun if we go hiking and go to the viewpoints while it's raining. So we're going to head out. We're going to go home. We'll get home a little bit earlier than anticipated. Right, kiddos? But I just want to tell you what we packed. So I pack a wet bag and then I pack another bag for baby clothes. And as for items in here, we have an extra pair of like shorts. And I packed how many training undies? Like 10. And we have 4 total. So he used about 3 every single day for various reasons, like he peed during the hike. That was cool. And then some other time he told us he needed to go pee, but it was a little too late and he already peed. So, and then I also packed disposable diapers. We use disposable diapers, just 1 a night. So I packed 2, and this is 3rd one. So I usually pack like 1 per night and then 1 extra one. So if we're staying 7 nights, then I pack 8. So here we're staying 2 nights, so I packed 3. So this is the last one, just in case. So training undies and 1 disposable diaper. So we did pretty good with 3 per day, various accidents and stuff. They're playing with sock hands now. You want to put your sock hands back on? Sock hands.
We got
Okay,
pie, Mommy.
another sock hand.
Do you want some pie?
Pies? You guys are playing with pies? That's what it is? Oh.
Pie you can eat.
Before we head out of the park, we're just going to make a few last minute stops because Mount Rainier National Park is just absolutely gorgeous, even if it's a little bit rainy.
Maybe up here. Built for those people 100 years ago who were short.
Well, don't do what you're doing, I guess.
You see that big post?
What big post? Oh, down there, yeah. It's so foggy. This is the Mount Rainier that we see. She's like, please. And look, you're wearing flip-flops. Thank you for joining us on our trip to Mount Rainier, Washington. I hope you enjoyed it. Click here if you want to check out more Kachang family travel vlogs. See you then.